Okay, so once you stop your screencast, a new tab will open and it will look something like this. So what you're going to do now is you might be very eager to play your video right away. There was a button here, a chiclet that said unmute, and I had already clicked that. So if you are trying to listen to your screencast and wonder why it's not working, there might be a button there that says unmute, or there's also this volume here. So I think or you can hit play and it should load right away. So if I hit play, now being recorded. So say you're talking to your student, you can hear the video that was recorded. So there's different things you can do. I'm just going to show you the basics, and over time you can play around with the other features. I'm just going to go here where it says untitled, and I'm going to give this video a title. So screencast tutorial for teachers. Okay. And so I've written that down and I just click away and it's automatically saved. And down here, you can watch the entire video. You can also chop out pieces of your video. You can trim it. So I don't usually trim, but if you'd like to, you can play around with that. The most amazing part of Screencastify is that you can just get a shareable link. So I'm just going to click here. And now in my computer, in the memory, this link is already saved. So all I have to do is I can email that link to students. I can post it into different classroom platforms that I'm using. If I'm using D2L, I can post the link there. If I'm using Seesaw, I can post it there, depending if people do that. You can put the link into a Google document, and I do that a lot right now for my students. I create a Doctopus file, I share it with them. I just put a link, it makes it easier for them. And so let me just show you what that link looks like. So I'm just going to paste the link that was automatically shared. And it takes time to load. Is the loading done? Let me just check. The first time, because it might be processing the video still. No, it looks like it's done. And this is what a student would receive. They just hit play and they can watch your video. It is so simple. Other things you can do is you can share it directly to your Google Classroom if you want. You can publish it directly to YouTube as well, or you can download it to your computer. So Screencastify is amazing and it's so simple to use. You can play around with the other features. There's more ways of things that you can do. You can view it into your drive. So the files are automatically also saved into your Google Drive. But this is just a basic tutorial, but it is such a handy tool. I've had some students email me asking, Miss, how do I do this? I don't understand. Boom, I open up Screencastify and I just record a video and email it to them. It only takes a couple of seconds and it is so powerful. So I hope you found this video to be effective. Thank you.